everyone. In this session I am going to discuss a numerical problem from the relative motion kinematics chapter. Let us see the question. Two particles A and B move with constant velocity v1 and v2 bar along two mutually perpendicular straight lines towards intersection point O as shown in the figure. Right? Here at moment t is equal to 0, the particles were located at distance L1 and L2. At moment t and starting position respectively from origin. So this is L1, L2. Then find minimum distance between the particles and time taken. Minimum distance between the particles at particular time we have to calculate. How to find minimum distance? How to approach this problem first? Here L1 is the initial distance from O. It is changing with respect to time. L2 is the distance from O. It is changing with respect to time. We have to find the distance change with this velocity along y direction and along x direction, mutually perpendicular direction. Resultant displacement we should take. If you find it's a differentiation with respect to time, ds by dt is 0, then s gives minimum value. Right? So at what time it gives minimum value we should find. Then the time we should substitute there, we can find that distance. Okay, this is approach to the problem. Right? See this. From that OA, it is L1 and V1t is the this much distance it approaches in time t seconds. So it becomes OA is nothing but L1 minus V1t. Next OB is nothing but L2 minus V2t. Then from this diagram we can say these mutually perpendicular to each other. Right? AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square. Here AB square, that is AB, it is nothing but S, right, is equal to OA square plus OB square. OA square plus OB square, we can find that. So it is OA square, or this is AB, no, is nothing but L1 minus V1t whole square plus L2 minus V2t whole square. This is S. Right. See, solution. To find a minimum distance, let us apply ds by dt equal to 0. That is nothing but S value does not change with time after getting minimum. So at what time we will find that minimum distance? So write down apply the ds by dt equal to 0, d by dt of s square equal to 0 to find minimum distance. To find minimum distance at particular time. At particular time. T value we will get from this. Okay. See here. Apply d by dt of s square, d by dt of s square value take from here L1 minus V1t whole square plus L2 minus V2t whole square. Right? How to differentiate this? It is in the form of d by dt of t power n. But instead of t, some other terms there. So inside terms also we should differentiate. You see that 2 into L1 minus V1t into inside terms minus V1 we will get. L1 is constant. Right. Second term plus 2 into L2 into L2 minus V2t, that is here minus V2. Minus V2. Simplify, what we will get? 2. See this, it is nothing but left side of the equation here, 2s ds by dt, it is nothing but 2 minus, okay, 2 we can take cancel and L1 minus V1 minus L1 V1 plus V1 square t, next plus L2 minus L2 V2, here minus there, minus into minus plus V2 square T2, right, T only. So here ds by dt equal to 0, then this term becomes 0, 2 comes to denominator, it will become 0, right. Then I will simplify here. V1 terms one side, LV terms another side. Therefore here T is into V1 square plus V2 square is equal L1 V1 plus L2 V2. L1 V1 plus L2 V2. Right? So what do we get? Then T is equal, therefore we get time is equal to L1 V1 plus L2 V2 by V1 square plus V2 square. I will continue in the next board. In the next board, here T is equal to L1 V1 plus L2 V2 by V1 square plus V2 square. Then I am writing S equation also, L1 minus V1t whole square plus L2 minus V2t whole square. This is S square. Okay. Here I substitute this T minimum in this, we will get S minimum. S minimum square is equal to L1 minus V1 into T, right, T minimum, L1 V1 plus L2 V2 by V1 square plus V2 square. Next, for this whole square term plus next L2 minus V2 into T, L1 V1 plus L2 V2 by V1 square plus V2 square, right. For this again whole square. Next, simplify this, V1 square plus V2 square whole square, that is denominator, find LCM and what we will get, you see, V1 square plus V2 square denominator whole square. Next, LCM, L1 V1 square plus L1 V2 square minus L1 V1 square minus L2 V1 V2, right, this whole square plus next here denominator same, V1 square plus V2 square whole square, and find LCM and simplify this, V1 square plus V2 square whole square, then L2 V1 square plus L2 V2 square minus L1 V1 V2 minus L2 V2 square. Any doubt in this? Whole square. Next, here any similar terms and opposite signs, you check. L1 V1 square minus L1 V1 square, cancel. L2 V2 square minus L2 V2 square, cancel in this. You see here, in these two terms, V2 is common. V2 into L1 V2 minus L2 V1 whole square, right? Next, in this V1 common, L2 V1 minus L1 V2 whole square, for this whole square, right, by V1 square plus V2 square whole square. Next, V1 square plus V2 square whole square. What is that thing? Simplification. See, here L1 V2 minus L2 V1 whole square V2 square, right? In this case, L1 V2 minus, next step, L1 V2 minus L2 V1 whole square V2 square, right? Next, plus, what is that? I am taking common LCM. It is same, no? V1 square plus V2 square whole square, right? In this square, V1 square, I can take minus common from this. It is minus V1 whole square. It is V1 square. Then it become L1 V2 minus L2 V1 whole square. See here, L1 V2 minus L2 V1 whole square, it is common. Therefore, L1 V2 minus L2 V1 whole square, V1 square plus V2 square. If you take common that, here V2 square plus here V1 square. Down, denominator we have V1 square plus V2 square whole square. The square gets cancelled. What is the minimum distance we get? This is S square. S square minimum. I'll write answer in the next board, right? See here, S minimum is equal, what do we get? L1 V2 minus L2 V1 whole square by V1 square plus V2 square, it is denominator. So for that whole root, it means L1 V2 minus L2 V1. For this, it is modulus we get V1 square plus V2 square. It is whole square there, no? Root. So, have you got it? This is the answer for minimum distance. Thank you.